Welcome back, all of my viewers, all of my subs. I know I'm bad, but it's a preview my show on your site. Yeah, so what we really come for forward to about I got epic, me. So please do stick around, subscribe if you're new. So I could talk about it like this. Rying King, yes. He is currently in stable condition, recovering from gunshot wounds and things, me. So he would get one under him arm and one from him leg them side there, me people. Differently from that, him have to come out and explain anything else further from that. So if anybody else have something to say, I swear, if anybody else have something to say, half of the time it not gonna be true. You see me? So
Give me a kiss one more time. One more time. Don't go so quick. Why you going so quick? Kiss me for 5 seconds. Good girl.
yes, guys. So as you can see, World Dog and Rose on live. World Dog a kiss Rose through the phone. I show him love. You want to see her face, man. You should love it, you see. I saw me know Rose a bad girl in here. So shut up, girl, them head. Them can't even keep one and share. Rose have a dozen. Yes, right. But anyways, we're going today. I see Popcorn share a video. But it's not this picture, but this picture is from the last time on Rona's birthday, which is in mother. So today I miss Rona's birthday. I want to help and wish her a happy birthday and what the style go. Though.
Yo. I am good. Yo. Trouble. Yeah. Crazy business, man. Yo. Hold a phone in a bad man. Over phone this. Hold in a man, I don't want to use it again. Yo. My unruly fans, them when they say happy birthday to Miss Rona. I know your birthday no squid. Me know why you got turn off now, Miss Rona did this. Yeah, see all of my fans, them I show you love them, Miss Rona.
Yes, thank you. The Lord bless you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Enough love and respect.
You don't have to puff out this today.
Oh, in the name of Jesus. All right. No spoil the thing right now.
Yeah. Trouble.
Yeah, me alone have all of the time for them. I love you, Adidra. Mwah. Mwah. Look how we look good.
Shorty, hold on. Shorty.
Look how we look good together.
Shorty, hold on.
Yeah, man, people. So as you can see that a Vybz Kartel baby mother, Shorty, you see me. And yesterday she go live, which is last night to be exact, with Lava Son. Her bag of sitting talk, me I tell him. I don't know if I show off if she has brag on her daddy. You see me? Her baby dad. But me I look on everything and me I feel say if a Vybz Kartel unfollow her on Instagram, so me I say she must behave her way. You see me? I make her watch the clippings of how she da behave. And to me, she da behave naive. You see it? Man a business when nobody wants it. You see me? But that's how she da behave straight up, you see me?
Buster right?
Yeah.
Okay. Big up. Shorty, me really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I know we're family, you know our Gaza for life. You know that. So.
Gaza for life.
You know that.
Gaza versus UTG.
Yeah, UTG.
Right.
Can't be, can't for UTG. Yeah. The time out, to be a part of Chat and Laugh. Really appreciate it. Yeah.
And then guess what, Tulava? You see? Tanisha, you have some people, like all the media, but sometimes you see them put up a bag of things on.
Yeah.
Me I want to go them get them store from, because me no know about them something, so me I want to owe them know about them something there. Big up themselves, because trust me, just get stronger.
Pussy
We just get stronger, and guess what?
Right now, before this all finished, Someone been screen record of your life and send it out, you know.
Them uncle let me get stronger and make more money.
Damn right.
Rich.
Damn right.
Rich.
Damn right.
Black say rich.
No. Oh.
Jesus, peace.
No. Oh. No. Oh. What you talking about? It's our place.
So we have 1 minute and some couple seconds left on the show. So we can square off that something there. We can square it off. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Big up. Anything else you want to say again?
Just look up the whole Jamaica.
Yes. Yeah. I'm freedom for the boss.
Long time.
Freedom for the boss.
Freedom
for the boss.
Yeah, big up. My baby father.
Yeah.
Yeah, me alone have all of the time for them. I love you, Adidra. Mwah.
Shorty.
Look how we look good.
Shorty, hold on. Shorty.
Look how we look good together.
Shorty, hold on. You hear me? Come in. I'm seeing you now.
You hear the talk now?
Let me see in the room.
Huh?
Let me see in the room.
What? Dust club. Me in my room clean lava.
Let me see in the room, Shorty.
Turn the camera. I'm going to show you what I go in my room.
Pussy clot.
Look.
Yeah?
Clean.
Jesus. Whoa.
See them, my mother. I'm not live for it. R.I.P. mother. I love you.
Big up. Jesus, peace. I said, what perfume?
Nothing on the palm of dresser without name.
Pussy clot.
Pussy club. Look how we look good together.
What you talking about? It's our place.
Pussy
What clean room?
Bragg.
Yeah.
Pussy
Alright, right, let's go. Right, let's go, lava.
Manala,
Cutie. Abe.
Well, I want to talk to you right this up on the phone.
I have to be me, lava.
Pussy clot. Shorty, the live are going to cut off. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Big up yourself, Shorty. One Gaza family. Big up on yourself. Burn them.